In the picturesque region near Valencia, a stunning residential property stands as a testament to architectural excellence and harmonious integration with its natural surroundings. Nestled amidst a lush landscape, the house in La Cañada boasts a strategic location that offers both seclusion and proximity to urban amenities. The residence's plot is enveloped by verdant vegetation, predominantly pine and palm trees, which serve as a verdant backdrop to the elegant structure. The architectural vision behind the project was to create a sanctuary, a home that balances seclusion from the external environment while remaining connected to the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Central to the design concept is a square plan layout punctuated by strategic perforations. These openings serve multiple purposes, including carving out a central courtyard reminiscent of a Roman atrium. This expansive space not only serves as an entry point but also facilitates visual connections between different areas of the house. A striking water feature further enhances the ambience, reflecting the internal facade and the sky, creating a dynamic and inviting entrance experience. On the opposite side of the house, a remarkable cantilevered structure of white concrete frames a pool and garden area. This architectural marvel not only adds aesthetic appeal but also serves practical functions, providing shade and defining outdoor living zones suitable for both summer and winter use. The emphasis on horizontal lines and a single-story elevation contributes to the residence's welcoming atmosphere and human scale. Inside the house, the design ethos of fluidity and connection continues. The interior spaces are carefully crafted to promote a seamless flow, with minimalistic window frames embedded into the walls to blur the boundaries between inside and outside. Visual connections between rooms are facilitated by strategically placed furniture elements, such as pass-through fireplaces and low cabinets, further enhancing the sense of openness and cohesion. While the design prioritizes openness and connection with nature, it also ensures privacy and protection. Thick stone masonry walls envelop the interior, providing a sense of security and seclusion. Adjustable wooden slats protect the wide glass panes, allowing residents to control sunlight exposure and maintain desired levels of privacy. The canopy framing the entrance, constructed of white exposed concrete, adds a textural and sheltering element to the exterior aesthetic. The interior spaces are characterized by a palette of white and polished materials, creating an atmosphere of elegance and sophistication. Neutral surfaces, smoked glasses, and troweled concrete pavements form a neutral canvas upon which the verdant garden and surrounding nature can be appreciated in all their splendor. In summary, The house in La Cañada represents a harmonious fusion of modern design principles and natural beauty. From its strategic layout and innovative features to its seamless integration with the surrounding landscape, it stands as a testament to architectural ingenuity and a haven for those seeking luxury living amidst nature's embrace.